branch electronics and communication. Yeah, JSpiders Basavanagudi is, up to my knowledge, it's one of the best training institute where with the zero technical knowledge of in the background of electronics and communication, I have learned from the scratch up till the Spring and Hibernate, like up till the advanced Java. So I would like to thank all the trainers who have trained me throughout. Firstly, I would like to thank Shishira sir who has trained me Core Java and JDBC things, and programming is taught by our Raghu sir, and OOPS concept and collection framework is taught by Uday sir. I would like to thank all the trainers and also advanced Java is taught by Vivekananda sir. Trained me like to cope up with the industrial standards, and I would like to thank all of these, and I would like to thank HRs too. They keep us supporting and they were providing me the requirements. The whole environment and the team here is so good, so I will recommend many of the students to join here and to get betterment of themselves and to upskill themselves. Thank you.